Hello friends, today I'm gonna do my nails with Polygel and with the nail foams. As my regular viewers know that I'm not comfortable with nail foams. I bought these and literally used them once because they don't stick properly and I faced so many problems to make my extensions with these. When we use any nail foams, then we have to adjust them to be straight in angle. Many beginners face the angle problem with nail forms and they don't know before curing. But when they cure that, the extension's angle becomes lower than the straight one. So I will make sure that I will not face that again. To get the strong grip of the nail foam, here I took my paper tape and wrap it around the area where I feel like it has loose grip. I will not give it any chance to mess my time. Taking the polygel, of course, using this after long time and I forgot the quantity. I think I took too much of this. Anyways, let's start to build our polygel nail extension. Since I use the builder gel regularly, I am handling the polygel exactly like the hard gel. At this time, I forgot to use the slip solution because I was comfortable with this method which I am doing right now. And I accidentally spilled this slip solution. I'm on the way of making the extensions perfectly or well as much as I can. Finally cure this and let's remove the foam. Wipe the stickiness and wrap off the paper tape. I know it's not perfect from the apex because I am attempting it after a long time and I can fix it with my filer. One thing which I like about these nail foams is that they don't let the gel to touch the skin from the downside of the nail front corners. I bought this only for this particular reason. The nail looks very clean from the downside area. After doing one, now I was feeling like yes, I can do this. Maybe I skipped this many times and that's why I was not much comfortable. And from today, I'll make sure that I use these as much as I can because I want my nails to look better from the downside too. If they work like this, then I will have to work like this. The polygel has more liquidy than the hard gel, I guess. I feel like this because when I work with hard gel, if I turn my finger in any direction, then the polygel does not flow that much fast. But it's happening in this case of polygel and you can see that I'm changing my nail angle many times just to avoid the polygel touch on my skin. Cleaning extra gel from both sides to get the desired shape and also this will take less time of filing. This nail has came out perfectly. I don't know how other nails will come but this is perfect at this time. I applied different methods on every nail just to know that which method will work best for me and which I should avoid to use. I think I took extra quantity of polygel and I was not prepared for this condition which is if I took too much polygel then on what I will have to wipe. I can't wipe on the tissue paper also can't put it in the polygel tube at this time. This came out very thick nail, which is okay. I was not comfortable to get the polygel directly on my nails or on the brush. So I took the leftover paper of the nail foams to squeeze out the polygel. I applied a thin layer first, then cured it for 30 seconds just to stop the polymerization process. And after one layer, I started to make the second one. So these are done and looking weird in shapes and apex. Now let's fix this. I already made them medium in length, so I will cut the nails which are long as compared to the other ones. Perfect. And I filed all the nails in off camera. So next step is to apply the top or downside of the nails. When they shine like this, I feel so happy, don't know why. I will keep the nails simple, so I took my jelly nail paints or sheer you can say that, and I think I should use this shade of pink. One coat application is almost nothing, so you have to apply more coats to get the real shade. After first application, I cured that for 50 seconds and went to the next layer. After applied two coats of this, I was observing the color that if it's enough or I should apply more coats. The translucent types of gel polishes are my favorite. They look very soft and bright. Base layers are done and now I'm gonna make the French tips on the nails. So for that I took 4 number brush which is long enough to make thin lines and I applied the A method to make the Frenchies. This method is easy to apply and best for a beginner artist. If the line gets harsh or unclean, then you can use any white brush or these shaping tools to wipe off the extras. Look how easy to create a French tip with a method. You have to mark the outline first and then fill the gaps and empty areas. I applied this method and done my French tips in just 15 to 20 minutes with curing time included. After done this process, now I am applying the same pink gel polish on the top of my nails because I want them to look inserted with the pink layer. I never did this step before. I am first time doing this. Gel polish work is done and now move to the most blingy part of this video. I stick the flowers one by one and thankfully I remind myself a nail art design in my mind which I've seen so many times when I just started to do this stuff. I'm not trying to copy that style but creating my own one. But you can say that I took inspo from somewhere and I created actually recreated this in my style. When I feel like they are not going that way, then I remove them in seconds and go for the best one. Literally, I just randomly placed these flowers on my fingers and don't know what will be the next step. The inspo which I was talking is about arranging the metal balls on the nails but not about the whole design. Okay, so don't misunderstand it. I used golden one in my last fall nails video and now it doesn't take much time to have them on. I was so focused while doing this, so I turned off the camera and gave myself time to make it perfect. I attached the pearls on some corners. I got the thick layer of base coat somewhere near the charms, but it's okay because the gel is transparent, they won't look bad. After that, I applied the non-wipe top coat and sealed everything twice. And here is the final look. See you in my next video. Bye.